Welcome back to another video in the Intelligent Investor channel. Today we're going to be talking about Polkadot. We're going to be seeing the price movement it's had in the last few weeks, and we're going to also talk about the price movement that Polkadot has had in general in the last couple of years. We're also going to talk about how the tech behind Polkadot is helping a lot of businesses move forward in their innovation. So if you would like to know more about how Polkadot is changing the world and the potential that Polkadot has to grow in the next bull market, I suggest you stay to the end. And if you would like to see more content that has to do with Polkadot, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so I can let you know when I drop the next one. Alright, so as you can see today, Polkadot is at around the $5.24 price. It has a rank of number 12 in terms of market capitalization, and we're going to talk about more about the position that Polkadot has and how it's been able to maintain and increase its position throughout the last couple of years. But first, I want to talk about how Polkadot is helping businesses innovate. And I'm going to use this article here in Ethereum News to help me explain to you guys what Polkadot is doing. The article says, in the diverse landscape of blockchain networks, Peak has selected Polkadot as the foundation for building the economy of things. Peak appreciates Polkadot's functionality as a blockchain of blockchains, offering and adding a layer of security and adding interoperability. Dr. Gavin Wood, a co-founder of both Polkadot and Ethereum, was a notable factor in drawing Peak interest toward the Polkadot ecosystem. Now let's talk a little bit about the advantages and innovations of Polkadot. There's also other things that we can learn about Polkadot like security, scalability, governance and funding, and other benefits in Polkadot, but we're just going to focus on the first one here. It says, Polkadot stands out with its distinctive structure and expansive ecosystem. Polkadot's design revolves around a central relay chain accompanied by numerous parachains, specific blockchains operating concurrently. The structure supports multi-chain operations, a principle resonating with Peak ethos. With its structured design, Polkadot facilitates seamless interoperability among various Web3 projects through cross-chain messaging or XCM. This mechanism is expected to bring additional traction and liquidity to Peak while allowing it to integrate millions of machines into the Polkadot network. Now down here, we learned about a few other benefits that Polkadot has. I'm just going to go over the first couple of ones. Polkadot Layer 0 approach facilitates cross-chain composability, thereby allowing seamless value exchange across various blockchains. Additionally, Polkadot's developer-friendly substrate framework allows for the easy development of blockchain applications. Now, as you can see, Polkadot is being sought after the same way people are looking to use Polygon. The difference is that Polygon has got a lot more traction and has gotten a lot more coverage in the last couple of years, but Polkadot has been one of those silent projects that's been building throughout the bear market. And this is just one example. Now I want to go back to the price of Polkadot so we could talk about where the price has been and where the price could go in the future. If we look at an all-time chart of Polkadot, you can see that back in 2020, Polkadot got to a point where it's trading below the $4 range. The next year in 2021, we can see that Polkadot's price surged all the way up close to 50 bucks. And towards the end of that same year in 2021, you can see that Polkadot surpassed the $50 mark and it got up to a price of around 54 bucks. Since then, you can see that Polkadot has been dropping with the rest of the market, and now it is at a price close to $5.20, looking to make its way back down below 5 bucks. But I don't think this is the be-all end-all for Polkadot. As I had already mentioned, Polkadot has been building throughout the bear market. And this is something that I always look for when I'm looking for new investments or to expand my investment in a certain crypto. Now, if I'm being honest, I don't have a big position at all in Polkadot. I think that at most, I probably have around 25 to 35 Polkadot tokens just sitting in some wallet. And the reason why I have never aped into this coin is because I didn't understand enough about it. And not only that, but when Polkadot got above the $50 price, I feel like it was very overvalued, and it was just the push of the bull market that got it there. And it appears that I was right. But now that Polkadot is back around that $5 price, and the fact that it could potentially go lower in the short term, I find Polkadot as a very interesting investment. Now, not 2 years ago, but now because I have been able to see how much they've been growing, how much they've been building, and the use cases behind the projects that other businesses in the real world are using. Another project that's also been doing a lot of backseat building is Polygon. But the difference between Polygon and Polkadot is that Polygon has been getting a lot of coverage, especially since they teamed up with companies like Disney, Reddit, Facebook, and many more. Polkadot hasn't really gotten enough limelight, but I think that in the next bull market, all of that is going to change, and we're going to hear a lot more from Polkadot and the things that they've been building and the things that they could do in the future. Let's not forget that one of the founders of Polkadot is Gavin Wood, which was also one of the co-founders of Ethereum. So it's not like there's somebody we don't know at the helm of this project. And I also just want you to note this. Polkadot has been around for a while. Okay, and they've been able to climb up the rankings throughout this bear market. I remember just a year ago, Polkadot was not even in the top 20 crypto, and right now they're top 12. This tells me a few different things. One, that the community is very strong and they still believe in Polkadot. And two, that there are actual use cases for Polkadot that companies are seeking out. Why else would you explain their market cap to be where it's at today? And they're not too far off from Tron, and they're above Litecoin, which in my opinion, that speaks volumes. I would like to know what you think about Polkadot. Do you think that it's a promising project for the future? Is this a crypto that you will invest in? Do you have an investment in Polkadot right now? And if you're holding it, let me know why. Why do you think that Polkadot potentially has a bright future? And why do you think that Polkadot can potentially make us money? What is it about the project that you like the most? And if you're somebody that doesn't believe in Polkadot, I would also like to hear from you. What don't you like about Polkadot? Why shouldn't I invest in Polkadot in the next bull run? Throughout the next week, I plan on making more content on Polkadot. I'll be making videos talking about what Polkadot is, what they have done so far, and what are their plans for the future. If you would like to watch those videos and a lot more content that I'll be making on this channel about different cryptocurrencies, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so I can let you know when I drop the next one. As always, I would like to thank you for staying to the end. This is the Intelligent Investor channel, and I'll see you on the next one.